Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. In my previous life, I was a college professor in biology, and I taught classes in 4 different levels to students who have different interests in biology. The first level is Introductory biology. These are for students who are not planning to pursue biology, but they want to know something about biology in general, or maybe they just simply force into taking it. The second level is Introductory classes for students who are planning to become biology majors. The third level includes the subdisciplines in biology, such as molecular biology, botany, or mammalogy. The fourth level is at highly specific level, usually as graduate courses. For example, there might be a course in tumor immunology. During my tenure as college professor, I have taught at all 4 levels, and they are all different. And I realized that I need to use similar approach in my YouTube channel as well as my cooking classes. Instead of using a different level of courses to organize the contents, I'm going to use the playlist to organize the contents for different levels. For advanced students, I will create playlists that would deal with more specific topics, such as meal planning or how to create a meal for special occasions. Using different playlists to address different level of specialization, I will be able to create a comprehensive resources for all students. I organize the videos in my channel into 2 broad categories. The first category will deal with basic concepts and skills that are necessary to implement my perfect cooking system. Playlist 1, the perfect cooking system. Videos in this playlist will explain both the advantage as well as the benefit of the perfect cooking system. Playlist 2, the walk. Now, it is critical for the student able to have the necessary skill both to cook in the wok as well as to maintain and manage the wok properly. Playlist 3, prepping. Prepping is a critical part of my perfect cooking system. The video in this playlist will provide guidance and also selections of ingredients during prepping. Playlist 4, flavoring, which is also a critical part of my perfect cooking system in creating fusion meals. So in this playlist, the video will demonstrate the use of different seasoning agents. Playlist 5. In this playlist, everything in relationship to how to stir fry in the wok will be explained in details. These videos will address how to season the wok, how to manage the heat, as well as how to prevent food from sticking and burning to the bottom of the wok. These 5 playlists will offer guidance on how to develop and master all the skills that is necessary to implement the perfect cooking system. The second category, known as the application category. In here, there will be playlists contain videos that will show you how to create and design dishes. Within this category, there is a group of playlists known as template playlists. Now, each template playlist will represent a certain type of dish, and within it, there are many different variations. The variations serve as samples for the viewers to try. Examples of this template playlist will including templates for chicken, templates for vegetable, templates for fuyang egg, and etc. The next group of template is the meal plan templates. Now, in this type of templates, it will provide examples of how to create different type of meal plans. These videos include suggestions for meals with various number of people, also for different type of nutritional requirements. The organization of this playlist is to provide a resource for people who have different interests in trying out the perfect cooking system. Currently, I'm in the process of creating the videos for all this playlist. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to receive notifications of my future video postings. See you next time.